so happy to be participating in a challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul DIY. She is an amazing crafter with such an attention to detail. She is dedicated to helping up-and-coming DIY YouTubers such as myself to have a platform to show our work. I will link her channels, she has two, down below. In my first project, I will use this sign I had gotten at Dollar General. I'm removing the chain that it was hung up with, and I'm going to paint it in a pretty agave Waverly chalk paint. I painted both sides and gave it 2 coats. I'm going to make a tray with this sign, and I'm going to use nautical rope and make handles for each side, and then I'm going to wrap nautical rope around the edges. I flatten out the end of my rope so that I can hot glue it flat onto the tray. I started wrapping the rope from the inside, hot gluing along the way, just wrapping in a spiral. I should have wrapped one more time before cutting, because I'm going to end up having to cut again to go to the other side of the handles, but it all worked out. Now I start wrapping underneath the handles. So I attach my rope right at the back underneath the handle so I can cross over the ends. Now I took approximately a 6-inch piece of the nautical rope and unwound the 3 strands. And I'm just filling in those little gaps where I crossed over, and you can see the tray through it. So it just all kind of blends together so that you don't see the tray. Now I use these shells from Dollar Tree, and I use it to decorate around the handle part of my tray. And she's finished. My second project, I thrifted this frame for half price. So I only paid $1 for it, and it's a nice wood, and it was a light wood, so I just dry brushed it to give it that weathered look. And I used this scrapbook paper, and I measured out with using the backing and cut it out. And I thought about using my Cricut, but for once I was just going to try my hand at writing. And I have these stickers, these nautical stickers from Dollar Tree. And so I decorated my paper with the stickers, and I wrote, "Breathe, smile, be happy, relax." And I tried different colors. The silver seemed to work the best, so I guess I must have cut off my camera. But that is what I used. I used the silver Sharpie and just wrote it out. Once I got everything put back together, I used those stickers to start decorating the frame also. I love these stickers. They're just vibrant, and you can either use it as the big square, or they can come apart and you can just use what's in the middle. Project, I got this vase at Dollar Tree. It's just a plastic vase, but I love the color. And I just decided to decorate it with some of the jute twine, kind of make it look more coastal in that way. And then I took one of those seashells from Dollar Tree and glued it onto the twine to cover up the ends. So I decided to use these same stickers for this project also to decorate. I started out kind of going overboard, so I removed some of them. Sometimes less is more. But I do love these stickers. Sometimes it's hard to stop when you like something. And here's the third project finished. And here it is all put together. I added seashells into the bottom of the vase to hide the stems and just put some ferns. And this bottle I thrifted for $1. I just thought it kind of looked like that note in the bottle. So thank you again, Heidi, for hosting this challenge. I appreciate it so much. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. And until next time, bye.